Thank you. Ano ba gusto mo?
Wait.
Yan, free. Lumpia and adobo rice. What do you want to eat? Or you just want to have a
No, you need to eat rice.
You want lumpia and adobo rice?